Welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire course so you know exactly what we'll be learning and how each section builds on the previous one. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation in CSS and the confidence to style any web page beautifully. Section 1. Introduction to CSS. We'll start with the basics in Section 1. Introduction to CSS. You'll learn what CSS is, why we use it, and the different ways to apply it, inline, internal, and external. We'll set up your very first CSS file, explore different types of selectors, and pick up some handy tips for keeping your code clean and organized. Section 2. CSS Fundamentals. In Section 2, we'll dive into the core building blocks of styling, working with colors, fonts, and text properties. We'll cover text alignment, transformation, and one of the most important concepts in CSS, the box model. You'll also learn how to control width, height, and element dimension effectively. Section 3. CSS Layout Basics. Section 3 is all about positioning and layout. We'll cover display properties, different positioning methods, floats, and how to handle overflow content. Plus, you'll learn practical ways to center elements, including using Flexbox for quick alignment. Section 4. Styling Elements. In Section 4, we'll get creative with styling. You'll learn how to design attractive links, buttons, lists, and tables. We'll explore backgrounds, borders, rounded corners, shadows, and more to take your page visually appealing. Section 5. Intermediate CSS. Section 5 takes things up a notch with zero classes and pseudo elements, CSS specificity, and combine selectors effectively. We'll also introduce media queries so you can start making your designs responsive. Section 6. Modern CSS Layout Techniques. In Section 6, you'll master modern layout system, Flexbox and Grid. You'll learn how to align, justify, and arrange elements with Flexbox, and then move on to creating advanced layouts using CSS Grid. We'll even compare when to use each technique. Section 7. Responsive Web Design. Section 7 focuses entirely on making your websites look great on any device. We'll cover mobile-first design, breakpoints, responsive units, and techniques for showing or hiding content based on screen size. We'll also look at CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS. Section 8. CSS Transition and Animation. Section 8 is where we add motion to our designs. You'll learn how to create smooth transition, keyframe animation, and eye-catching hover effects, along with the basic of motion design in CSS. Section 9. Best Practices and Advanced Tips. Finally, in Section 9, we'll wrap up with best practices, how to structure your CSS, avoid common pitfalls, debug with developer tools, and follow naming conventions like the BEM methodology. This type will help you write maintainable and professional quality CSS. And finally, we have the general project that we are working to make a real and effective modern website. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand CSS, but also be able to apply it confidently to create beautiful, responsive, and engaging web page. So let's get started and bring your web designs to life.